जुवारी ॲग्रो कंपनीक लिजार दिल्ली लाखांनी चौकड मिटर जमनीचेर मालकी हक्क कंपनीचोच कुळ मुंडकार खटल्या खातीर विशेष मामलेदार नियुक्त करतले म्हण महसूल मंत्री बाबूश मोन्सेरात उलयला. RDXGOA खातीर पर्वरीच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
दवरले जाल्यार ते फास्ट ट्रॅक जातले
आतां सीएमाक आमी उलयल्ले आहा कित्याक जॉयंट मामलादार शॉर्टेज आहा करणे. सो नाव सीएम एज इश्यू फास्ट ट्रॅक करून अपॉइंटमेंट आतां करतले मामलादार.
अशें कितले शॉर्टेज मामलेदार सर?
आहात शॉर्टेज सगळे गोंय आमकां तर एक्सपर्टायज तर केसी करूंक जाय. मामलादार वी नीडेड डेडिकेटेड मामलादार इन ईच तालुकास बेसिकली
फॉर कोण मुंडकार
all the this thing because what as far as law and order the main mamladar let him handle the law and order.
Okay,
so that mamladar should not have any interference with this.
सो सगळ्या 12 तालुक्यांनी तुम्ही तशें एक हें करता.
आतां सीएमाक सांगलेलें आहा सीएम हेज एग्री टू फास्ट ट्रॅक करून अपॉइंटमेंट ऑफ मामलादार करपाचें.
पण केन्ना जातलें बाबूजी केन्ना पर्यंत
हांवें सांगलेलें आहा आतां प्रोसेस वील स्टार्ट.
ओके
प्रोसेस
ना फाटल्या फावट
आतां खूंय शॉर्टेज आहा एंड खूंय एक्चुअली रिक्वायरमेंट चड लेस काम जर खंयचे जॉयंट मामलादार हें आहा दोज आय थिंक वी वील गिव देम एडिशनल चार्ज एटलीस्ट पेरनेट कितें इश्यू जाल्लो आहा. I read on paper also that advocates and all that made an issue because of some the shortage of judges. So we will place that. At least within a week's time, we will do some placements.
ओके सर ते जुवारीचे तुमच्या असेंब्लीनूय इश्यू येयल्लो पळय जमनीचे प्लॉट करून ते सध्या तुम्ही तो लीगल ओपिनियन
आतां लीगल ओपिनियन ऑलमोस्ट कंप्लीट जालो. लीगल ओपिनियन अहें दाखयलेलें आमकां की they have got orders earlier from courts and from different courts, not now from other old governments.
Okay.
In fact, they have got basically they had looks like they had a support from the previous governments.
Okay.
So nothing, we will not be able to do anything about it. Either we place the report or whatever we have got an opinion from the as I said, from senior advocate we have taken opinion who is well adversed with the criminal law, and we will place it on the floor of the house.
So government.
So anyone basically who has got any doubts, so tomorrow it should not be, and there should not be this thing saying that we have done something. So anyone who has got a doubt can challenge that opinion.
So government can't do anything as per legal opinion.
As per legal opinion, government will not be able to do it.
Okay, so now it will be continued. Now you will stop. Whether परत जर जमिनीचे प्लॉट ते तुम्ही स्टॉप करतले. पयलींचे जाला ते काय करपाचें?
ना सी नाव व्हॉट द तांकां ओनरशीप रायट
दिला मेळ्ळा
आहा थ्रू
earlier government.
different court verdicts. Okay. Already had different court. So government will not be able to interfere in that.
Okay.
So we will not, our interference Ashtanal as far as the Zuwali is.
Okay.
That report we will be placing on the floor of the house. If any private party or any MLA feels has got any doubt, they can challenge that.
Thank you.